stop. Ma'am, turn around and walk.
Ow! Stop! Resist me!
Hey everyone, today we're talking about some unbelievable moments when Karens caused such a stir on airplanes that the flights had to make emergency landings. Get ready to see how a single passenger's bad behavior can turn a smooth flight into a total nightmare. Let's dive in. On a flight, things took a dramatic turn when a woman, often called a Karen for her difficult behavior, refused to follow the airplane's mask rule. The flight crew had asked her to keep her mask on, but she didn't listen. As the plane was about to land, the pilot decided it was best to have her removed for everyone's safety. When the plane landed, the authorities came to escort her off the aircraft, but she immediately denied doing anything wrong and insisted they had the wrong person.
Man, how are you doing tonight?
Man, we just need to talk to you outside real quick if you don't mind.
Walk up to the top of the ramp. Not kidding at all. Walk up to the ramp. The problem is that you wouldn't comply with the mask rule on the airplane.
No, I did. You have the wrong person.
No,
they pointed you out, so can we
No, that's not me.
Don't make this difficult.
This isn't me. My mask has been on me and no one has spoken to me.
Walk up here.
No one has spoken to me?
Ma'am, you are holding
This entire
up
time?
everybody trying to
I
get
don't know
off
why
the
you guys
plane.
are making this up. That wasn't
We're
me.
not making it up. Can you just
somebody
please go?
else? You have the wrong person. You have the wrong person. What is the problem? My mask?
Can you please exit the jetway?
You need to leave me alone.
Captain, is this the woman that was causing the issue? Okay,
What is
let's
the
go.
problem here?
As the officers tried to guide her out, the woman became more upset. She kept arguing with the officers, saying that she was innocent and that her mask had been on the whole time. Despite their repeated requests for her to leave the jetway, the walkway that connects the plane to the airport, she refused to cooperate. Her refusal to comply led to a tense standoff between her and the officers.
Would you like to press charges?
You to exit the jet.
I'm
Would you like
calling
to
my,
press
I'm
charges
calling
if she
my lawyer.
Would you like to press charges?
I'm calling my
That's what
lawyer.
it takes for her to leave.
Turn
Are you
around.
kidding me? Stop! Stop! Okay, what? Stop!
Things quickly got worse when the officers decided they had no choice but to arrest her.
Please,
Stop resisting!
What is going on here? Please, stop!
Put your hand behind your back.
Stop, please.
Put your hand behind your
Okay, I
back.
will comply. What do you want from me?
Ma'am, he asked you to leave. We asked you to leave. We didn't
Ow!
want to leave.
Ow, ow, ow,
Ma'am,
ow, you
stop
broke it. You broke my hand.
Ma'am.
Please, my finger hurts.
Nobody's hurting you.
Please.
Put your hands behind your
Stop.
back!
Ma'am, comply.
Please stop. What is going on here?
Ma'am,
Are you
comply.
kidding me? Stop. They're photographing me on purpose. You guys are doing this. Stop. Please. For God's sake, it wasn't
Ma'am.
me.
Ma'am.
What is going on here? Am I being set up?
Come on.
For a mask?
I'll
It
grab her
wasn't
stuff.
Me. It was
I'll grab her stuff.
my mask. Please stop. Don't hurt me. Stop.
Stop resisting!
Stop. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. Stop me. I need to call my lawyer.
Stop.
I need to call my lawyer right now. You literally broke my iPad. It is cracked. What is going on? Please leave me alone. Please stop.
Ma'am,
Let
turn
me
around
go.
and walk.
Ow!
Stop
Ow!
resisting!
Will you stop? What is going on
You're
here?
under arrest!
For what?
Trespass at the window!
Stop! Put on my mask. Please. What is happening? You broke
Hey, can-
my belongings. It is.
Can you stay here? We need a statement from you.
I need to talk to my lawyer. I need to talk to my lawyer right now. I need to talk to my lawyer. This is unbelievable. That was not me. That wasn't me. I don't know who you're talking about. Please, you called the wrong person. That was not me. It wasn't me. I have people next to me saying it wasn't me. Because of my mask?
No, because you wouldn't leave.
I'm leaving, okay?
Yeah, I know you're leaving now.
I'm sorry. Of course I'm leaving. I wanted to talk about this.
No, you didn't want to talk about
Because
it.
I have paparazzi around me. People are taking photos of me walking off the plane. Obvious reason. I wanted to discuss this in a different manner. Please. It wasn't my mask. My mask? Come on. I can't do this right now. This is not happening.
Oh, it's happened.
What is happening?
You're going to jail.
What are you talking about? Stop.
Ma'am,
please, please,
continue
please,
walking.
God, please.
Resisting.
No, no,
Stop,
no,
just
please.
walk.
No, 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 God, no.
Ma'am, just walk.
No. No, God, please. I can't afford this.
We
I can't.
asked
I
you
have
to
no
leave the
money.
jetway.
Nothing.
You didn't want to listen.
God, please, 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 God, no, please, 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 please.
Ma'am, I need you to walk.
The woman began to panic, repeatedly apologizing, crying, and begging the officers to let her go. She even claimed that the officers were hurting her by breaking her hand and damaging her belongings, though the officers were only trying to do their job.
You guys don't do
You're
anything!
making this worse.
Oh my God!
We have you on camera with everything.
Please, I'm
So
sorry!
you need to stop.
Oh my God, no! Please, I'm so
It's
sorry!
not gonna, the screaming
Oh
and
my
all
God,
that is
you
not
guys,
gonna
I'm
change the
so
fact.
sorry,
We
please.
asked you to leave.
Please, let me
You didn't
talk
wanna
to you.
leave. That's it.
Please, God, no,
That's
I can't do this. Okay, I want to leave. I'll leave. I'm
late.
so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm
asked
sorry. I'm so sorry. Please don't do anything. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna put
I
her stuff in
can't.
her bag real quick.
I can't. I'm sorry. You guys, I'm so sorry. Please, God, no, please. Oh my God, no, please. You guys, I'm so sorry.
Stand right here.
Oh my God, please.
Face the truck. Face the truck.
Please, God,
Don't move.
God, please, no. What happened to you?
You.
No, that was not me.
Yeah, it was.
That was not me. No, it wasn't.
Ma'am, his arm was perfectly fine before he interrupted.
No, it wasn't me. That just happened. You walked across your truck. That was not you. You're holding me.
Ma'am, stop.
Stay up against the
Stay
truck.
right here.
That was not me.
Stay right here, ma'am.
That was not me.
Face the truck.
That was not me.
Face the truck.
What? That was not me.
I got her.
Officer,
I got
I'm
her.
sorry.
I got her.
That was not me. Officer, I will do anything for you. I am so
You gotta
sorry.
go to jail, man.
Officer, I am so sorry.
I
I will
know.
do anything. Please look at me, please.
It's okay. You just gotta go to jail.
Officer. Please, I'm sorry. You guys, I'm sorry. I will do anything. I will do anything for you.
Where's your license at?
I don't know. Officer, what's your name? Adams. Can you please look at me? Officer Adams.
You gotta go to jail.
Why?
You're going to jail because they told you to leave and you refused to leave.
I'm leaving. Please.
Too late.
Officer,
too
look at
late.
me. Please, it's
too
Valentine's
late.
Day. Please.
You don't have
I'm at the
Valentine's.
mercy. I'm at the mercy of you.
You already said that you don't have
Look at me.
Valentine's.
Please, I will do anything. I'm so sorry. I'm leaving. I have to go. I leave. Can I please, Officer Adams, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Officer Adams, please level with me. I will do anything. I am so sorry. I am at your mercy. Officer Adams, I'm at your mercy. I am at your mercy.
I know.
I have.
But you gotta go to jail.
Officer Adams.
It's nothing.
Officer Adams.
It's nothing personal.
It's nothing personal
It's
for me.
nothing personal.
But please, for
You just
God's
gotta go.
Please, I'm praying. I have no money.
Ma'am,
I have no.
stand over
I have
here.
Nothing.
Face the car.
I have, please.
Let me know.
Please. I'm praying.
Erica, you gotta go. The decision's already been made.
No, please, guys, please, guys, please.
Throughout the entire incident, the woman was extremely emotional. She kept pleading for mercy, explaining that it was Valentine's Day and that she was alone, which made her even more upset. Despite her apologies and attempts to reason with the officers, they had to follow through with the arrest. The woman was deeply regretful for not leaving the plane when asked, but by then, it was too late to change what had happened.
You didn't have to arrest me for this.
Over there.
This doesn't have to be an arrest.
Okay. Have a seat right here for me. What you getting in?
Please, this doesn't need to be an arrest. Please. Officer!
In the end, the woman was charged with 2 crimes, trespassing and resisting arrest. By refusing to leave the jetway when the officers told her to, she violated the law. Specifically, she broke the rule known as trespass after warning, which means that when someone is told to leave a place and they don't, they are breaking the law. Additionally, by resisting the officer's attempts to arrest her, she also committed the crime of resisting an officer without violence. These actions led to her arrest and the legal consequences she faced. On a busy day in July 2022, something unusual happened at Miami International Airport. A Spirit Airlines flight was getting ready to leave for Detroit, Michigan, when a woman arrived very late, 45 minutes after the plane was supposed to take off. When she wasn't allowed to board the plane, she decided to take matters into her own hands. Sneaking past airport security, she found her way onto the plane, pushing past flight attendants and even jumping over passengers to reach a seat. This caused quite a commotion, as everyone on board was shocked by her actions.
Tell her to come outside. I will go. She doesn't have to come out. Then we can play. supervisor go and let him know?
But we have to listen because it's trespass after work.
And if not, we have to discipline everybody?
Everybody.
Yes.
First we start with the person in front of First we start with the person in front.
The flight attendants quickly realized something was wrong and called their supervisor. The woman, however, refused to leave and started threatening to hurt someone if the plane didn't take off. Her behavior made everyone nervous, and it wasn't long before the police were called to the scene.
Right now, I can press charges for you trespassing.
I'm not trespassing. I have a
I'm just letting you know right now, the police officers are here. We're going to ask you to voluntarily walk out of the plane. If not, we're going to ask everybody. We're going to ask. I understand, but you were not bored when we closed the door. You went through the door when there was no agent at the moment. Ma'am. So,
let's talk to you outside. Let's come outside.
Right now,
yeah.
If you don't get out right now,
okay, hold on.
Let me get everybody out.
Right.
Okay, we'll get everybody out. I board like everybody else, and I pay for my ticket.
All right, let's go to the jet bridge so we can talk.
What do you mean? No,
come over here.
To talk about.
All right.
Going home like everybody else.
Let's wait outside.
If I don't go home, nobody go home.
That's cool. Okay. All right.
I never did nothing. Like what? I paid for my ticket like everybody else.
Ma'am, we need to talk to you. Let's go outside.
No, I don't have to talk to y'all.
Okay, we're gonna make it worse.
Y'all can send me a paper in the mail.
Okay?
Y'all can literally send me something in the mail. Whatever. I paid for a ticket. I paid for a ticket like everybody else.
Let's go. Everybody has to do things.
The officers tried to talk to her, asking her to leave the plane peacefully, but she just kept arguing, insisting that she had every right to stay because she had a ticket.
You're after the board.
Get your ass off the plane.
Ma'am, don't instigate her, please. Guys, don't instigate her because then we got to deal with her.
They never refused me. I was already on the plane.
They're refusing you now.
Now after the fact, no. But that's after the fact. You can't do that after the fact. So no. Everybody going. We all going home late. Oh well. No, I can't. Because they should have just took off.
Let's go. Let's do it fast. What are you guys waiting for? Let's go.
Despite the police's efforts to calm her down, the woman refused to cooperate. The situation got so out of control that all the passengers had to get off the plane, delaying the flight even further. After much back and forth, the officers had no choice but to arrest her. She continued to argue and even made a big scene as she was being taken off the plane, but it was clear that her behavior had gone too far.
I have a ticket like everybody else. What do you mean? And then y'all grabbing your rest. For what though? We're not gonna argue. Can somebody record this? Can somebody record this? What are you doing? You want to stop? What is you doing? Legal as fuck. Illegal as fuck. It is. Y'all not necessary. What the hell? I have a ticket for this flight, and y'all trying to take me off the flight.
It's no longer valid.
What do you mean it's not valid?
Because you're going to jail.
But everybody else is valid.
I'm not gonna. All right, we're gonna have to.
Yeah, hold on. Let's
How?
relax. We're gonna take your property.
I'm relaxed.
We're
You're
gonna take
grabbing
your
me.
property. You're not grabbing your property.
I'm relaxed. You're grabbing me. What do you mean?
Relax.
Because why is he
Calm
grabbing
down.
me and I'm
Calm
relaxed?
down. Calm
Like
down.
I said, he grabbing me. It's illegal as fuck though. It's cool because I don't mind suing nobody. I don't mind suing Miami police. That's why he's shaking his head. He over y'all. He's shaking his head. And I'm on camera at the airport. This illegal as fuck. I have a ticket. And y'all mad because I have literally the plate got stopped because I have a ticket. No,
I'll get you. What do you need? She goes to jail for that. Once she refused to get off the airplane, that's trespassing.
Give me the info.
I will.
This wasn't the first time this woman had caused trouble. Just 2 years earlier, she had been arrested for a similar outburst at a fast food restaurant, where she got so angry over cold fries that she assaulted an employee. When she appeared in court for this new incident at the airport, she admitted that what she did was wrong, but still blamed the airline staff, saying they should have treated her better.
No, over here. Door 19, you can exit out. Just exit out. Exit out.
With a regular, what the fuck? Where that sit? The fuck? The fuck? Make sure y'all
Right there.
Miami in your life. Make sure y'all It's not even shit in my pocket. I'm Miami police. Y'all getting sued. Y'all not gonna.
In the end, the woman was charged with several serious crimes, including disorderly conduct and destruction of aircraft. According to federal law, it is illegal to disrupt or endanger the safety of an airplane, its passengers, or crew members. Specifically, she violated 49 U.S. Code, Par 46504, which makes it a crime to interfere with the duties of a flight crew member or to attempt to do so. The law is there to keep everyone safe, and breaking it can lead to serious consequences, including fines, jail time, or both. And that's a wrap. These wild incidents show just how much trouble one person can cause on a flight. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more crazy stories. Have you ever seen anything like this on a plane? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.